player of the game. We have Gemma Galans of the Creamline Cool Smashers. First of all, congratulations. You are moving on to the semis with 12 points, 11 attacks, and 1 ace. So, Gemma, on Thursday, makakalaban nyo ang Cherry Tigo crossovers at 4 p.m. 1 day to prepare. Anong ine-expect mo sa matchup na yun?
Siyempre, mag-expect naman kami lagi talaga na maganda yung magiging laro. And talagang patayan na to kasi ito na talaga yung laban na talaga para sa final. So, talagang paghahanda namin, magpe-prepare kami ng maayos. And magre-rest muna kami para sa training tomorrow.
Siyempre, na-sweep ninyo ang preliminaries round. You're big on rest. Kanina, before the game started, sabi mo, 7 p.m. ka pa rin matutulog, diba? These are some of the sacrifices that you do. But Gemma, looking back at the preliminary round, ano yung mga learnings na nakuha mo about yourself, about your team, na makakatulong sa semis?
Maging consistent lang. Hindi dapat mag-relax. Kailangan ma-handle yung pressure kasi lagi talagang meron every game. Tapos, magko-contribute talaga ng maayos sa team.
And Gemma, anyone you'd like to thank, your family, friends, Creamline supporters here at the venue and at home?
Hello po sa lahat ng Creamline. Goodbye. Hello, good vibes. Hello po, and thank you so much po sa lahat na nanonood dito sa live. And gusto ko pong batiin yung family ko. Hello sa mama, kay tatay, kay ate, kay Tito Apo. Dami ulit, diba? Okay, wait lang. Dito ako, si Tita Kulot, mga dogoys ko. Hi, Milo. And ito na lang, isa na lang. The Jesus family. I love you guys.